So let's see today's recipe. Now here I have a small, bunch of methi or fenugreek seeds, fenugreek leaves, which I have soaked in some water to which I added salt for about 15 minutes, drained it well, washed it well, and now I'm just going to chop it up really, really fine. So I also have a video on how to clean and store methi or fenugreek. I'll leave a link of it below. So just chop up the methi after you've really washed it well into very very fine. Chop it up really fine like this and keep it aside. Now we also need one large onion which I've chopped fine. This is two light green chilies chopped fine, 1 inch of grated ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of garam masala. Now here I have 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts soaked in 1/4 cup of warm water and 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds in 1 tablespoon of water and half a cup of cream. I also have 1 teaspoon of elaichi powder. Now I'm going to grind the cashew nuts and the poppy seeds to make a nice thick paste like this. Now here I'm going to be heating a pan, and once the pan is nice and hot, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Now once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add the cumin seeds or the jeera. Fry the jeera a bit in the oil. Next, I'm going to be adding the 2 light green chilies that I've chopped. Fry the chilies also well till they get this nice white kind of coating. Next, I'm going to add the grated ginger and the chopped up garlic. Fry that well too till the rawness of the garlic goes away. Next, I'm going to add the onion, and we're going to fry the onion really well. So saute the onion till it becomes a little bit translucent. Now we're going to add the cardamom powder. I've just taken 2 elaichis or cardamoms and just ground them to a fine powder. Now mix all of that really well. Next, we're going to add our cashew nut and poppy seed paste. So after soaking the cashew nuts and the poppy seeds in some water for some time, the cashew nuts have to be kept in warm water. The poppy seeds or the khaskhas can be soaked in normal water, and then grind them together to get a nice thick paste. And then mix everything really well together. Now this is a real different kind of a recipe using methi or fenugreek, and it definitely tastes delicious, and you want to make it again and again. So now I'm going to add my chopped up fenugreek leaves or methi. Approximately you get about 2 cups of methi after chopping it up, and then I'm going to mix it in well with the rest of the bagar. Now I'm going to add the fresh cream. Now you can either use fresh cream out of a packet or even the milk, that regular milk cream that we have at home. You can even, collect that for about 2 to 3 days and then use it. The cream that you get in your, when you boil milk, you get a layer of cream. You can just take that out for about 2 or 3 days and keep it aside if you're planning to make this dish and use that. So either way, you can use the ready-made one also. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt to taste. Now if you want a little bit more of gravy, you can just add about half a cup of milk to get a more, more of a gravy. And now I'm just going to be adding 1/4 cup of green peas. You can add this or you can just skip the green peas. You can also add paneer cubes or tofu cubes if you have them available, or you can just leave it plain. And now I'm going to add my garam masala. This is homemade garam masala. I have a recipe for homemade garam masala. I leave a link in the description box below. Now mix everything well together. Now the cashew nuts and the poppy seed paste really elevates the flavor of this dish, and it really makes it very delicious. And that's it, guys. And our special methi dish is all ready, and you can enjoy this with some lovely hot rotis or puris. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.